Good morning to all. How are you all of you? Fine. In previous class we discussed about thermometer and also we discussed the normal temperature of human body is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Suppose if we measure in Celsius scale, that is 37 degree centigrades. Now we will discuss thermal expansion. What is the thermal expansion? So in this thermal expansion we have three states, that is solids, liquids and gases. So what are the three states of that? One is solids, liquids and gases. So whatever the length, volume and area of substance, what is that? Length and volume and area of substance, area. So increasing, what it will do? It will increase. When it will increase? When we heat this substance. When we heat this substance, the substance can change length level, length also increasing, volume also increasing and the area of substance also increasing. So when we heat, when we supply the heat, the three can increase. So here this known as thermal expansions, means length, volume and the area of substance increases when heat is supplied to it. So this is called thermal expansion. What we are calling? Thermal expansion. Now you understood about this thermal expansion. When the length, volume and the area of substance increases. When it increases, when we supply the heat to this substance, they can increase. So this is known as thermal expansion. So we have three states. What are those three states? Those are solids, liquids and gases. You know, when we heat these solids, solids expansion when we heat, and also liquid also expansions when we heat. In the same manner, gases also expands when we heat that. So how? Let us discuss one activity, how the solids are expansion. For that we will do one experiment. Take a metal spherical ball and a ring, and in that you take that spiral ring ball, and in that ring you have to take this spiral ball and force and pass it into that ring. So what will happen? The spiral ball easily enter into that ring. No? Okay. After that, then what you have to do? You have to heat this spiral ball sometimes. After sometimes, what do you want to do? You have to heat this spiral ball. After heating this spiral ball, you should go near to that ring and you push it through this ring. What will happen? The spiral ring ball cannot enter, cannot exist in that hole. Why? Because when we heat this spiral ball, it will expand. When we heat this ball, what will happen? It expand. When it expand, whatever the area of this ring ball is there, no, it won't expand. So when we pass through this ball ring, what will happen? The ball won't enter into that ring. In the sense, what we are understanding, the ball might have increased. How did it increased? When we heat that ball. So solids also expands when we heat. So what we are understanding by do this activity? When we heat the solids, it expands. Heat causes expand the solids. And in the same way, liquids also expand. How the liquids are expand? For this also we could do one activity. Take two flags. and you pour into this too some water. Okay, and here another flask is there, no, there you put it some heat, you arrange some heat, Bunsen burner, or you can take a gas or somewhere else, you take it and observe that one. So when we take this two bowls, one bowl you have to supply heat. So when we heat this water, the water level will be increase. So we have taken two containers, no, and same quantity of water we have taken in these containers. So one container we are heating. When we heat this container, automatically the water level will be increasing, and comparing to before container is there, no, it will be in a same in quantity, it did not have any changes. Why? Especially whatever we heated that container, increasing that water level, because here also the liquids expand when we heat. When you turn off this heat, what will happen? Again the normal position, the water comes in normal position. So by doing this activity, we can understand that liquids also expand. So heat causes liquids expands. So solids also expanding and liquids also expanding when we are supplying the heat. And the last one, gases. Gases also expand. How it expand? To know that, we do one more experiment. For example, take two bottles, and we already the empty bottles you have to take, the empty bottles filled with gas. So in that empty bottles, lid is there, no, there you have to covered with balloons, that lid you have to cover with balloons, and take these two bottles and put it into that two containers, two different containers, put it in these two bottles into that containers. And also one container you pour normal water, another container you have to pour hot water. When you pour hot water into that container, automatically whatever we closed with that balloon, no, the balloon might have maybe it open up and making as a full balloon. So by doing this activity, what we are understanding here, gases also expand. When we heat, gases also expand. So in this class we discussed thermal expansion. What is the meaning of thermal expansion? Thermal expansion means what? Length, volume and area of substance increases. When they increases, when we supply heat to this substance, it increases. So this is known as thermal expansion. So we have three states of substance. What are those? Solids, liquids and gases. So here heat causes expansion of solids, and also heat causes expansion of liquids, and also gases cause as expansion of gases. So how? We already discussed by experiment. Okay. In next class we will discuss in other states, how the solids have other states, how they become as a length, and all those things we will discuss in next class.